So the device we're going to have a look at is the Garmin Glo, available from many stores around the world. Nice, compact, battery-powered Bluetooth GPS device.
Yep.
And what we want to do with a GPS device is we want to have the maximum view of the sky. The satellites are up there, feeding the signals down to these guys here.
Yep.
And so the more sky we can see, the better. So some drivers choose to install these on the roof of the car because they're a wireless link down to your phone.
Yep.
Some of them install it on the bonnet. But if you're just out for a track day and you haven't had the time to make up a cradle or something, we simply use a nice piece of gaffer tape across there on the dash as far forward as we can to get a nice view of the sky through the window there.
And this is Bluetoothed up to your phone,
Exactly, it's Bluetooth to the phone. So
easy.
All you do is you start up the MyRaceLab app on the phone.
Yep.
You pair that to the Bluetooth device, and then you can put the phone away somewhere nice and safe so it's not rattling around when you're driving and concentrating what you're doing.
Let's take a closer look at how to connect Bluetooth GPS devices like the Garmin Glo 2 or the dual SkyPro XGPS 160 to MyRaceLab. First, the Apple iPhone. All we need to do is pair the device to the iPhone in Bluetooth settings. Check the manufacturer's instructions on how to do this. Once it is paired, open MyRaceLab and tap Record. The Bluetooth GPS will simply show up as internal GPS on the MyRaceLab recording screen. Next up, let's see how to connect the Bluetooth GPS devices like the Garmin Glo 2 or the dual SkyPro XGPS 160 to MyRaceLab on an Android phone. First thing to do is to pair the device to your Android phone in Bluetooth settings. Check the manufacturer's instructions on how to do this. Once it is paired, open the MyRaceLab app and go to Menu, Settings, Devices and Sensors, Bluetooth Devices, and then tap on the plus next to GPS devices. Select the specific GPS device you have, and when your device shows up in the list, tap it to add. You can also check the connection to make sure the devices are linked. A green dot next to the device name lets you know it's connected. Enable the GPS device logging with the slider. When you go to record a session in MyRaceLab, you will see the GPS device listed in the external device tile, which will turn green when it has connected. A couple of final tech tips when using any GPS receiver. Make sure the GPS has a clear view of the sky by mounting it on the roof, the dash, or somewhere where it is not blocked by metal surfaces. Depending on how long the GPS has been off for, the process of locating satellite signals can take a minute or two. We recommend leaving the GPS on for a few minutes before your first session of the day, and check that the GPS signal indicator on the device confirms that it has a good signal. Check your manufacturer's instructions for how this is shown on your device. This will give you the best possible race line and speed recording accuracy in MyRaceLab.